Mazda sold 5 million CX-5s by making a family SUV that drove like the engineers actually cared. The third generation keeps the handling, it keeps the looks, and then it removes every physical control and replaces them with a 15.6-inch touchscreen. At €48,450 in Homura trim, this is either the most generously equipped compact SUV in Europe or the moment Mazda stopped trusting its own instincts. By the end of this, you will know which one. The proportions have grown. 115 millimeters longer in the wheelbase, 30 taller, 15 wider, but the silhouette has not changed character. The front borrows confidence from the CX-60 above it. Sharper headlights, a wider stance, a grille that finally looks intentional. The rear is cleaner. Mazda lettering replaces the badge, and twin exhaust tips give the Homura a stance the lower trims do not carry. In Soul Red Crystal on 19-inch alloys, this is the first CX-5 I have looked at twice in a car park. 141 horsepower at this price is the number that lands in the verdict, and what it means against the Sportage Hybrid is the argument this car is making. Think about the last time you adjusted the climate without looking down. The Homura has eliminated that experience entirely. Every function now lives inside the touchscreen. That is the compromise this generation chose. Around it, the quality argument holds. Leather seats, heated and ventilated in the front, heated outer seats in the rear. Bose 12-speaker system, panoramic glass roof, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Google built-in, head-up display, 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise with stop and go. Standard on the Homura. I've sat in Tiguan's at this price that offered half this equipment and twice the physical buttons. Rear space has improved noticeably. The longer wheelbase gives genuine knee room and headroom for second-row passengers. 2 adults sit comfortably. 3 across is a squeeze, but that is segment standard. 2-zone climate, USB-C in the rear, 40-20-40 split bench. What Mazda removed from the dashboard, they earned back in passenger space. 506 liters to the parcel shelf, around 17.9 cubic feet, 61 liters larger than the previous CX-5. The load lip is lower, the floor is flat, and the split folds via quick-release handles in the boot sides. 30 liters of underfloor storage holds a charging cable without cluttering the main floor. This is a boot that works on a Saturday morning without instructions. 141 horsepower, 238 newton-meters of torque, 10.5 seconds to 100 kilometers per hour, around 10 seconds to 60 miles per hour. A 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder with a 24-volt mild hybrid and a 6-speed automatic. Front-wheel drive on this Homura. Mazda offers neither a diesel, a plug-in hybrid, nor a full hybrid at launch. The mild hybrid helps at low revs, and torque delivery below 4,500 RPM is improved over the outgoing 2-liter. But this is not a fast car. It is smooth and refined below 4,000 RPM. Above that, the engine reminds you the 6-speed automatic is a generation behind the segment. 7 liters per 100 kilometers, around 40 miles per gallon. Adequate, not remarkable, against the Sportage Hybrid or RAV4 Hybrid, both of which return better economy with more power. The Skyactiv-Z Hybrid is confirmed for 2027. Waiting is a legitimate strategy. €48,450. The Kia Sportage in comparable specification sits around the same money but arrives with a full hybrid producing over 200 horsepower, physical climate controls, and fuel economy under 5 liters per 100. Those are real advantages. What the Kia does not offer is the CX-5's handling, the quality of its ride on a flowing road, or a driving position that still feels like it came from a company that makes the MX-5. Whether that matters depends on how you drive and how much of it happens on roads where the chassis talks back. I have spent 3 motor shows this year, walking past touchscreen heavy interiors and saying nothing. This one made me stop. For most buyers at this price, the powertrain gap is the honest answer. For the buyer who values how a car steers above how quickly it accelerates, the CX-5 Homura is the most underpriced driving experience in its segment, sold behind the most overpriced touchscreen decision Mazda has ever made. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.